Apple is changing things up for the iPhone 14 lineup. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing well. iPhone 14 Pro Max are a few weeks away from its official launch, but everything is clear regarding the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And yes, these are going to be an expensive purchase, and maybe you won't get a lower models on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. According to confirmed news, iPhone 14 Pro Max will going to unveil on 7th of September along with iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Max. And the pre-orders will start on 9th of September, and the phones will going to hit the market on September 16. Apple may get the limited stock on iPhone 14 Pro Max, so going for a pre-order could be an option for you, but it is expensive. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Are you guys happy with the new ads on the iPhone 14 Pro Max? And which one do you want the most? iPhone 14 Pro Max or iPhone 14? Apple is going to change the base storage model on the iPhone 14 lineup. Well, last time we get 128 gigs on iPhone 13 Pro Max, but Apple is going to change 256 gigs version as a base model, which is a good thing. But some rumors says Apple may stick with the 128 gigs version on the base model, which is unlikely to happen. This is the second year since Apple is changing base model storage. Last time iPhone 13 Pro Max was the first one to come with the 128 gigs version base model, because iPhone 12 came with the 64 gigabytes as a base model. The price is what matters, and the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max prices are out, but you can also guess the other models. The iPhone 14 Pro Max will cost around $1,199 base variant, and 14 Pro will cost $1,099. And if you go up for a 512 gigs version or 1TB version, then those variants are way more expensive, nearly $1,599 and $1,699 respectively. The bad news for the Apple user, since Apple is going to add more ads in built-in apps, including their maps, where they are going to add paired search result to banner ads, and also adding another tab in App Store you might like for paid promotion of apps. Apple recorded $4 billion each year in advertising and are going to push to $10 billion in the following year. For those who have previous generation of iPhones, good news for them. iOS 16 is ready to launch, but Apple will launch iOS 16 along with the iPhone 14 Pro Max with the new battery percentage and cool lock screen with a good update, or I would say a different one compared to the previous generation. The ones who think about Apple foldable smartphone, then Apple is working on them, but they are far away from it, at least 2 years. Really far away, possibly launch with the iPhone 16. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Are you guys happy with the new ads on iPhone 14 Pro Max? And which one do you want the most, iPhone 14 Pro Max or iPhone 14? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.